How to create modern typography text poster. First, click on Photo. Search for Fashion Model Face. Add a photo and expand it to the background. Now download this image in PNG format. Delete the image from the canvas. Upload the downloaded image to the library. Add it to the canvas and expand it to the background. After this, go to Elements. Scroll down to Frames. Click on See All. Now, search for your letters. Add them to the design and adjust their sizes and positions. Now, duplicate the image and place it in the first letter frame. Double-click on the frame and adjust the framed image size to overlap the background image. Do the same for the rest of the letters. Now select the background image and crop it to make half of each letter visible. Select the letter frames, make the border 2 pixels and change its color to white. Next, go to Text. Add a heading and type your text. Choose the HK modular font, change the color to white, and increase the font size to 90 pixels. Rotate it to 90 degrees and adjust its position. Now duplicate this text. Type your text. Reduce the font size to 70 pixels and adjust its position. After this, go to Elements, search for a dotted line and add an element. Rotate it to 90 degrees, adjust its size and position, and change its color to white. Go to Text, add a heading, type your text, change the font to Brittany, and the font size to 120 pixels. Adjust its size and position. Your modern typography design is ready. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.